The SPD-SX Pro, the SPD-SX, the Alesis sample pad, Yamaha DTX, all of them can be recorded in exactly the same way. And this is how you do it without MIDI. You won't need much to make this work, which is great. Just think of your sample pad as the microphone. For this video, I'm going to be using the SPD-SX and Logic, but this might be different depending on your setup. And that's okay, because they're all exactly the same. So the things we'll need are an audio interface, specifically with jack inputs, usually there as an inst input. Or if you want to be fancy, you can get a DI, but that's another thing to buy. You'll then need jack cables to go from your sample pad into your audio interface. You'll then need a DAW, a digital audio workstation, like Logic, GarageBand, something to record in, and then you'll need your sample pad, obviously. So first up, plug your jacks into the master output of your sample pad. Like I said, this is the SPD-SX and they're found on the top right, wherever says master output and has 2 jack outputs. You can plug into any of the outputs, whether that be the headphone output, the sub output, or maybe you have loads of outputs on your pad, like the SPD-SX Pro. So just plug in as many outputs as you need. For this video, I'll just be using the master outputs. Then just plug those jacks into your audio interface. For this video, I'm using the Focusrite 18i20, but you can use whichever you like. You'll also see that I'm plugging in XLRs, so I'm just going jack to XLR. It's a little bit noisy, but it does get the job done. I could go jack to jack straight into the Focusrite, but I didn't have any spare jacks at the time of filming this video, so there we go, jack to XLR it is. Then once you've got all of that plugged in, open up your software, I'm using Logic, and then use the gain knob on your interface to get a good level. What I like to do is I like to play one of the built-in loops if you still have them on your sample pad, because then it basically means it's something constantly going, and I don't have to try and hit the pad and look at the screen at the same time, like I did for this video. And then once you're happy, just set up all the other things you might be recording, or you might just be recording your sample pad, and that's cool, and then just play it. And lastly, if you've ever wanted to be able to just search all of my content for something specific, then I've implemented a search feature on drumelectric.co.uk which searches every single one of my videos and brings up a transcript for it so you can find something easily. Just head to drumelectric.co.uk to find that. And with that, I hope you have fun recording the SPD-SX.